Hello students, I am Mohammad Ali Sheikh, Assistant Professor of Computer Science, Government Girls Degree College, Larkana. This lecture is for the students of BCS or BSc. The topic of today's lecture is multimedia, just to make you learn the basics about multimedia. So what is multimedia? Multi means many, media means to communicate. So different media useful to communicate. What to communicate? Concept or message. Actually, this concept or message is nothing but the information given by the technology. And this information is given by different type of devices related to the technology, just like computer, smartphone, tablet. So this message, concept or information is given by the technology in different forms. In different forms. This is actually media. What is actually happening? Actually, the information or message or concept given by the technology is to be conveyed to the people or mass. This is to be happened with the help of multimedia. So media means any form of information. There are different forms come in media. So many media means multimedia. Different media, different useful media to communicate from one place to another, from technology to the people. So unimedia, uni means single, one. If one media is used in any device to give information, this is unimedia. The example of unimedia is radio. So this kind of device gives you information in the form of audio only. So giving you the message or concept in one form, that is audio only. But computers, smartphone, tablets giving you the information in different forms. So multimedia means many medias to be communicated from technology to the people, and this is happening with the help of multimedia. So if I say multimedia consists on different elements or 5 components, actually means you getting the information in different forms. Those forms are actually called components. So multimedia consists on 5 components. What are those? Text, graphic, sound, animation and video. 5 components. So definition, simple definition of multimedia is it consists on 5 components. So you're getting the information or message or concept from the technology in the form of text. You can get the information in the form of graphics. You can get the information in the form of sound, animation and video. So that is delivered interactively to the user by electronic or digitally manipulated means. Means you getting the information from the technology in these forms: text, graphic, sound, animation and video. This is actually multimedia. Multimedia, many medias. What are those medias? These are actually the media. 5 medias, and these are to be communicated to the people. So this is text, audio, animation, video, graphics. So multimedia consists on 5 components: text, audio, animation, video, graphics. If I come to the text first, what is text? This is also very much important element or component of multimedia. So text is actually the collection of characters. Collection of characters. And you frequently use the text in different type of devices. When you send a message to your friends or any other people, you start writing something. So you frequently use the text to write. If I say how to input the text in any device, through keyboard. Keyboard is built in the mobile, and keyboard is in other computers also. So through keyboard you can input the text. And where to see the text? On monitor or printer. You can see the text on monitor. You can get the text if you want to get the print of that text using printer. So this is the kind of output. So you can see the text on monitor, and you can get the text on hard copy also by printing that text. Which software is used? MS Word or Notepad? You already know. Using MS Word you can write something, you can write anything, and using Notepad you can also write something, anything. So these are the types or extensions: docs, docx, txt, rtf. This is actually the type or extension. What is extension? Extension means how the file behaves in computer, or the identification of any file. This is actually the identification of any file. If you see docs, means this is the file of MS Word. If you see txt, text, means this is the file of Notepad. And RTF stands for rich text format. This is also the one type of or extension of text. So there is a job available if you want to be a writer, if you want to be a content writer. In the freelance market you can get the task or job of that kind of thing. You could be content writer there in the freelancing market. So what is to be written? Actually, writing reports, resumes, blogs, website content, proposal writing, business writing, so that you can produce richer textual content there. You can write for digital marketing. So if you want earn money as freelancer, to be content writer, so you can go there in the freelance market and get this kind of a job there. So actually what is happening, you have to shape your ideas to words. So you must be creative writer. If you are interested in, this is the job available, content writer. This is a very much famous job available in the freelancing market. You can go there and start writing there. So second component is image or picture. What is actually the simple definition? Is the digital representation of any visual captured object This is also very much important component. By this information or message or concept, you can convey the different type of information through images or pictures to people. So this is the very much important component or element of multimedia. So is that what is image or picture? That is the digital representation of any visual captured object. If I talk about the input, you can use the digital camera or the camera of the smartphone to capture the image or picture, or you can design any image or picture using any software. So there are two ways of input related to image, to how to capture it and how to design it. And the output is monitor or printer. You can see the image or picture on monitor. You can get the hard copy of image or picture using printer. So what kind of software you can use? Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, CorelDRAW, Corel Paint, MS Paint. These all are softwares used to design picture or edit picture. So, and there are different type of extensions here, like the extension in text. There are also different type of extensions here in image or picture also. So the most popular extension is JPG. Do you know the full form of JPG? That is Joint Photographic Expert Group. Joint Photographic Expert Group. This is also called JPG. In short, full form is JPEG. Joint Photographic Expert Group. This is an extension of image, a very popular extension used frequently nowadays on the internet or in different type of medias. Another one is PNG. PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics. This is another file format, Portable Network Graphics. Another is BMP. BMP stands for bitmap. And another is GIF. GIF. GIF stands for Graphic Interchange Format. Graphic Interchange Format. So if I make you aware the little difference between JPG and PNG, actually there are two type of compressions. One is lossy compression, another is lossless compression. This is a method of data compression. So in JPG, if you compress the size of the file, image quality is reduced, sacrificed in JPG. So this is lossy. I'm talking about lossy compression. So JPG uses lossy compression. What is lossy compression? If you compress the size of the file, image quality of this kind of picture whose extension is JPG is sacrificed. And in PNG, this PNG uses lossless compression. This is a method of data compression in which size of the file is reduced without degrading the image quality. So in this type, lossless compression is used, in which if you compress the size of this kind of a file, the image quality will not be reduced. But in JPG, because this uses lossy compression, image quality is reduced if you compress this kind of a file. So lossy compression is used here, and here lossless compression is used. Actually, there are two types of images. Still images are generated by the computer in two ways. Main two ways. One is vector images, another is bitmap images. Vector images actually collection of lines and curved lines, and bitmap images collection of fixed number of pixels per square inch, PPI, per pixels per inch. So actually, do you know the full form of pixel? Full form is picture element. Picture element. So actually there are two types of images, vector images and bitmap images. If I show you the examples and make you understand the concept of vector and raster image. Bitmap image or raster image is the same thing. So bitmap image is also called raster image, and another one is vector image. If I come to the vector images, these pictures can be enlarged without losing quality. Without losing quality. If you make this kind of image or file enlarge, if you increase the size of this kind of a file, this kind of image, size means if you enlarge it, just like this one. If you enlarge the size of this, the image quality will not be affected. And extensions of vector formats are EPS. Extensions are dot EPS. One extension is this one, EPS. EPS stands for encapsulated postscript. Encapsulated postscript. Another extension of this kind of image is AI. Dot AI. AI stands for Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator. Another extension is dot SVG. Dot SVG. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. Scalable Vector Graphics. So where this kind of images are produced, certainly there are softwares available in which this kind of vector images are produced. And what are those softwares? What are the names of those softwares? Adobe Flash Professional, Inkscape, CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, this kind of softwares are used to produce vector images. Now coming towards the raster image type, when you increase the size of the picture in this kind of image, pixels are broken up and picture is not shown clear. So when you enlarge this kind of a picture, pixels will be broken up. Pixels will be broken up, then picture will not be shown clear. Broken picture type will be shown to you. So this is actually the difference between. And what are the extensions of raster image? Extensions are JPG, as I showed you before, JPG, PNG, BMP, GIF. These all are the pictures of raster images. These all extensions come into this kind of a type, raster image. So these extensions are actually the extensions of raster images: JPG, PNG, BMP, GIF. These extensions are the extensions of types of raster images or bitmap images. And these extensions, EPS, SVG, AI, are the extensions of vector images. And there may be many others extensions. The most popular are these: EPS, SVG, AI. So another example of raster and vector images. Now this is clear here in this picture. This is the example of raster and this is the example of vector. And vector images are shown very much clear here, and you can see the raster image. This is the raster. These are actually the pixels. So when you enlarge the size of this kind of a picture, these will be broken up and picture will not be shown to you clearly. So this is actually the, hope you understand the difference between raster and vector. Now if you want to use the two components we studied now, two components, text and image. If you want to use them together but offline, these components, if you want to use them together, these can be used in newspaper, visiting card, brochure, pamphlets, advertisements, logos. So in all these type of things you can use these two components together, and as a whole all these come into the type of media that is called print media. As you know, newspapers, visiting card, brochure, pamphlet, if all are used offline, this is actually print media. And the most popular example is newspaper. So this is print media. So if you want to use them, these two components together online, if you use the term online, this is offline. Now if I want to use the term online and two components are used together online, this is actually digital publishing. And E is used as a prefix of each term: e-newspaper, e-books, online magazines, e-brochure, e-pamphlet, e-advertisement, e-logos. These all are these two components. If used in these kind of things, this is digital publishing actually. So I showed you the names of the softwares before. Here Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign. These are actually used to design, to edit any kind of image or picture. So these are the different these are actually the software in which their definitions are written: Adobe InDesign, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop. These most popular softwares are used in images or pictures in this kind of component. I earlier mentioned previously with the image component. So Adobe InDesign, it can be used to create works such as posters. So what kind of work you can do there? If you want to use the Adobe InDesign, you can design posters, flyers, brochures, magazines, newspapers, presentations, books, e-books. These kind of things you can design there. This kind of work you can use there using this kind of a software. You must be thinking, what is flyer? Flyer, you must be thinking, coming from the word fly, a person or thing that flies. But this word has another meaning also here in this field. A small handbill advertising an event or product. This is the meaning of flyer here. A small handbill advertising an event or product. Just like this one. This is the example of flyer. This is the example, another example of flyer. Handbill advertising an event or product. This kind of a thing you can do there. Another thing is Adobe Illustrator. I previously mentioned in the slide with the component image, is used to create a variety of digital and printed images, including cartoons, charts, diagrams, graphs, logos, and illustrations. So Illustrator allows the user to import a photograph and use it as a guide to trace on the object in the photograph. So beside these things, you can draw roughly any kind of drawing and उसको आप इलस्ट्रेटर में लेके आना चाहते हैं, उसको पिक्चर निकाल के एडोब इलस्ट्रेटर में लेके आएँ, उसके बाद उस पर you can trace on that object very much easily. So another thing is Adobe Photoshop. This is very much popular software, is an editing software that is used for image editing, especially image editing, graphic design, digital art, and much more. It uses layering to allow depth and flexibility in your editing process. So you must have heard these softwares, very much popular softwares related to second component, image or picture. Now coming towards this kind of a word, graphic design. So graphic means images, design means arrangement, means where to keep these images. If you want to design the visiting card, brochure, so where to keep the text and where to keep the images. This is design actually. Graphic means images. So if you want to be a graphic designer, if you want to start your career as a graphic designer, you must be skilled in these softwares which I mentioned. Actually, these software in Adobe InDesign, Illustrator, Photoshop. Then you could be a good graphic designer or art director. So if you want to start your career as a graphic designer, so you have to work on these tools. Adobe InDesign, Illustrator and Photoshop. So be skilled on these software, then you could be graphic designer or art director. So Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator and InDesign, these are actually the symbols he used here. I again mentioned here these three softwares here. So work on these three softwares if you want to be graphic designer, art director. Job is available. So you can work in different mediums of communication. So if you are skilled in these three softwares, that you can work in different mediums of communication. Do you know the medium of communication? What are those? Actually, three versions of media are used in the world. Three versions of media. Those are called mediums of communication. What are those? Print media, electronic media, and social media. This is also called cyber media. So print media, I already told you about the print media in which newspaper and other things are used. Electronic media, TV. TV is the example of electronic media. So actually these are the three versions of media which are used throughout the world, in the world. Social media, also called cyber media. So YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, you very much know about social media nowadays, because you are the smart students of digital age. So you must be knowing about the social media. So print media, electronic media, social media, these are actually the mediums of communication. So if you are skilled in these softwares, you can work in all these three versions of media. So another component is third component, audio. Is a sound vibrations generated by sound card, sound effects, music. So how to record the audio input? You have to use the microphone. Output, where to hear the output? Speaker. And software for recording and editing are Filmora, Audacity, Windows Sound Recorder, and many others maybe. These are the popular softwares used: Filmora, Audacity, Windows Sound Recorder. These are used for recording your audio. And if you want to play them, you can use VLC and WMP, Windows Media Player. And extensions of this kind of a component are MP3, WAV, and .AAC. MP3 is very much popular, you already know. So another thing is, component is video, fourth component of the multimedia. I already told you there are 5 components. So we are talking about at this time we're talking about the fourth component, video. What is video? This is actually sequential collection of images or frames. Images are also called frames here, and capturing or recording in real time. So you already know about the videos, how to record them, how to edit them. So if I talk about the input, digital camera or smartphone camera are used to record the video in real time. Video means recording something in real time, and you can see the output on monitor. Which softwares are used for editing? The most popular is Adobe Premiere Pro. The most popular software for editing is Adobe Premiere Pro. This is the most. This is the image symbol of the software. Other software are also used: Filmora, Windows Movie Maker, ULED Video Studio, KineMaster, and many others maybe. The most popular are these one, in which you can edit your video. If you want to watch video, you can use the VLC or WMP or other players also. What are the extensions? MP4, this is the most popular extension of video. .flv, .mov. Extensions are very much necessary. This is actually the identification of that file. In which software this is produced. This is actually the identification. So MP4, FLV, MOV, these are the extensions. You can identify the file by their extensions. This is very much necessary. Job, if I talk about the job related to this component, that is actually videographer. You have heard photographer, this is videographer, a digital videographer. So if you want to apply in the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, you could be digital videographer, but you have to work hard in this component, and you have to get command over the related tools. So what is the job here? What is the responsibility here? You must have the experience of shooting interviews and digital media specific content, basic video editing skills. You must have this kind of experience. And when you work hard, you can get experience. What is videographer actually? Videographer is someone who is responsible for recording live events and small scale video production. He is responsible for recording the live events, live interviews, live events, live any kind of a thing, just like live events, live sport events, commercials, live training videos. This kind of experience you must have. So this is said to be videographer. So if you want to start your career as a videographer, you can use these kind of tools. If you want to be a video editor or AV editor, AV stands for audio video editor. So you can start your career as a video editor also, AV editor, videographer. Another component is, that is fifth component, animation. This is also video. So what is difference between this video and this video? I am telling you. This video is recorded in real time. I have mentioned here, it's recorded in real time, and this kind of a video is created by a software. This is not to be recorded in real time. This is to be produced, created by using any software. This is actually the difference between that video and this video. Hope you understand. This video is recorded or captured in real time, and this is to be created by using any software. So if I talk about the input, software is used, and output on monitor, and what softwares are used, which softwares are used here. Adobe After Effects, this is a symbol. This is also the product of Adobe company. Adobe After Effects, Adobe After Effects. This kind of this is very much popular software used in this kind of component. Others are Flash, 3D Max, Maya, Cinema 4D. If you want to create 3D animation, you can use this kind of software. ZBrush, this is also for 3D, creating 3D animation. Motion Builder. And what are the extensions? Extension GIF is also used. GIF is also used in the pictures, and GIF is also used here. Flick, FLIC, and MNG, and maybe other extensions according to these softwares are available. And other names used here are VFX and SFX. VFX or SFX. VFX virtual effects and SFX special effects. So if you want to be a VFX designer or a special SFX designer, you could be. So for that kind of a job, you have to work on related tools. So you must be heard about different type of animated videos. You must have gone to cinema and watched any kind of animated video there, different type of animated video there. So at most widely used and best of animated movie makers, how to create the animation type of video, animated video using any software. So these are actually the softwares used: Powtoon, iClone 7, GoAnimate, Video Explainers, Video WIDEO, Toon Boom Studio, Devolver, Zimmer Twins. These are other softwares. Other than these are these are the softwares used, and other than these softwares, these are also used to create animated movie. So these are called animated movie makers. Animated movie makers, best softwares used for making animated movie videos. So very much popular iCloud 7, these are also very much popular. So if I show you the video using this software, I'm trying my best to show you. This kind of animated movie is created in this kind of software, iClone 7. So this was the example of animated movie produced in iClone 7, made in iClone 7. This was the example. Job, if I talk about the job, animator or illustrator. So if you want to start your career as an animator or illustrator, you must have this kind of skills: graphic design, animation, computer graphics. Now, what is different between graphic design and computer graphics? Difference is clear here. Graphic design is used for the pictures only. Pictures are images. Second component. Pictures are images. Graphic design is there, in which Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign softwares are used. And computer graphics is used with the animation. Here, animation. Computer graphics, this term is used here, animation, in which videos are created by using any software. This is called computer graphics. And graphic design means images are pictures in which Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator and InDesign softwares are used. And maybe old one, MS Paint. So graphic design is used there. The computer graphics means in which animated movie, animated video is created. So computer graphics and graphic design, this is the main difference between them. Tools are about tools. I told you here are here. These are the tools. So एनिमेशन और वीडियो दोनों में इमेजेस होते हैं. एनिमेशन and video, and both images are there. Images are also called frames. So images का सीक्वेंस कंटिन्यू रन कराया जाता है एक एवरेज स्पीड के साथ, जिसे फ्रेम रेट कहते हैं, जो 25 to 30 images per second का होना चाहिए. So this is the point you have to be careful while creating any video. तो एक सेकंड में 25 to 30 images चलने चाहिए. अगर इससे कम फ्रेम रेट होगा तो वीडियो स्मूथ रन नहीं होगी. If less than 25 to 30 frames per second are used, the video will not run smoothly. Some kind of a jerking will be there. So try your best to make videos jerk free. So this is for today's lecture. Hope you like this lecture. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Till next lecture. Bye.